Okay, now we are going to see the stages of a fetal development, how the fetus is developing inside the uterus. Okay, first one is the fourth week. The fourth week, how the child, the fetus, it is present inside the uterus like this position. Okay, so the formation of foregut, midgut and hindgut. So foregut, midgut and hindgut they can develop. Heart starts functioning. Forebrain is most prominent. So very well developed forebrain. Upper limbs appears as paddle shaped bud. Okay, how it is present in that four limbs, paddle shaped bud, ஒரு அப்படியே ஒரு bud மாதிரி develop ஆயிருக்கு in the fourth week. Then in the eighth week, so limbs and digits fully formed, movements start taking place. Movements it is occur inside. Okay, neck appears between the head and then in the thorax. Then external genitalia also shows the sex differences. So we can identify male or female in the 8th week. Okay, then 12th week. Okay, so eyes and ears are well defined. Okay, eyes and ears are well defined. Then ossification of long bones are seen. What? Development of a long bones it is occur. Then urine formation begins. Urine formation it is begins in the 12th week. Then in the 16th week, so what? Lower limbs reach final development. So that upper limbs and then in a lower limbs they can develop very well. Okay, upper and then lower limbs development they can occur. Then movements, we have seen the movements inside the uterus. And then next 20 week, length of the fetus increases, the size it is increases. Hair development they can occur in their head and then their eyebrows. Skin also it is covered with the subcutaneous gland, skin derivatives, that gland also it is developed. Then 24th week, what? Lungs are well developed, rapid eye movements begins. So eye movement it is occur, lungs also very well developed. Then the fetus starts gaining weight, then the fetus they can gain the weight. Then next 28th week, so immune system starts developing. Immune system they can develop inside the fetus. Central nervous system also very well developed. Then retina also is very well developed. Retina inside the part of the eye, that also very well developed. Then 32 week, the body weight increases rapidly. Weight they can increases very rapidly. Then the skin is present in a smooth muscles. How it is become very smooth? Due to the deposition of a subcutaneous fat. Okay, the skin, the fat they can develop deposit on the skin, that is known as a subcutaneous fat. Okay, we have seen now for what? Brown fat, it is helpful for the neonates to tolerate the temperature. So subcutaneous fat they can develop the skin. The next 36th week, so blood vessels are completely developed inside the fetus. So blood vessels also completely develop. Then the baby is position into the pelvis in head down position. Pelvic region la head இந்த மாதிரி தலையை திருப்பி ரெடியா நிக்கும் for what? In delivery. Then 40 week, so the baby is fully formed, ready to burn any day. Inside the baby it is fully formed. Okay, it is ready to come out. So we have seen extra embryonic, the baby it is present like this position. After the development, head it is move into the downwards. So fully formed inside the 40th week, then it is ready, anytime they can come outside. This is the for what? Cervical canal, vaginal canal. So during the time of the delivery, this canal they can dilation will occur. Then what? This amniotic fluid rupture will occur. Then the fetus it is coming outside through this the birth canal. Okay, along this fetus, this extra embryonic membrane, this placenta, everything they can come outside. That fluid, everything will come outside. Okay, can you understood all of you the development of a fetus? How in a week it is developing inside the uterus. Then another one of the case study, Arunachalam Muruganandam. So Arunachalam Muruganandam, it is a inventor. They can invent one machine. Okay, So Arunachalam Muruganandam is a man behind the world first low cost sanitary napkins. He developed the sanitary napkin machine, making machine. Okay, his machine was to provide sanitary napkins at minimal cost of poor women. Okay, across the country, throughout the country fully, especially in the rural areas. So the women, they want to maintain in a menstrual hygiene. So for that they want to use the sanitary napkin to maintain the menstrual bleeding. So in a high cost they cannot possible to use. So in a minimum very low cost he invented a napkin making machine. So the journey begins when he was shocked. First, before how he started to invent this machine, before he shocked by the fact that the women in India, including his wife, often used things. What things they are using? Old rags, leaves, even in ass. During the menstruation time, they are using these things. So approximately 70% of all reproductive diseases in India are caused by poor menstrual hygiene. So they want to maintain. So not maintain the menstrual hygiene, for what? Number of infections will cause. So nearly 23% of the girls, they can drop out of the school once they attend puberty. After the puberty, they will not come to school. Nearly 23% of girls. So he wished to make a social impact by creating more livelihood and improving the menstrual hygiene of rural women. Okay, he has invented the machine. So then Arunachalam initiated his research in 1999 and almost after 5 years successfully created a low cost machine for the production of a sanitary napkins. He begins in 1999, then 5 years he has did that research work. Finally he successfully produced the low cost machine for production of a sanitary napkin. He presented his prototype to IIT, then a protocol that to maintain that it is given approval. Then Madras for a national innovation competition he attained in the year 2006. That competition nearly 943 machines it is enter, but his machine only it is selected first, reach in the first place. So Arunachalam made 250 machines in 18 months and set out to the different state, mainly in North India, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. So Arunachalam Muruganandam was named one of the Time magazine's 100 most influential people in 2014. And the 2014 la endha people kala influence iruko adula one of the member in the Arunachalam Muruganandam vandar. Okay, he was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 2016. He got awarded the prize, Padma Shri prize in the year 2016. Okay, we have completed lesson 2 fully. So do you want to study thorough? Okay, when school is reopened, we have a unit test. So we will not teach again and again. So you must listen the class proper and study the homework regularly. It is helpful for your unit test.